Most people don't realize that the dumbest thing you can do in 2026 is not even try to make money from social media with digital marketing, and you don't be most people. In this video, I'm going to break down 4 easiest passive income that are actually beginner friendly, and the last one is the shortcut out of all. I will explain it in just a second. That anyone with an intention can make money. And no, you don't have to quit your job tomorrow or be an influencer overnight with a ring light and a fake smile. I mean this. If you're already scrolling, already learning, already solving everyday problem for your family, then why not leverage internet to pay you? Especially if you're over 40, juggling work, kids, responsibility, job, and hormones, and ever felt that you're too late and how you're supposed to figure money out at this stage of life, then you are exactly who I made this video for. I've linked my free beginner guide from passion to profit below in the description that shows you how to start your online income stream from your phone step by step. Grab it now. It will help everything in this video make more sense. Hey, my name is Julie, a 43 years old wife, a mom of a teenager from Phoenix, Arizona. Now, I'm not a tech genius for sure or a marketing guru. I spent years doing everything right and still feeling behind. We women are always taught how to save, how to spend responsibly, but no one teaches us how to grow and build something that's yours. A little bit my story. In my mid 30s, I was quietly ashamed of my financial situation. On the outside, everything looked perfect. Inside, I knew I didn't want to live rest of my life hoping everything just goes well. Then I realized something uncomfortable but eye-opening. The world has gone digital, but I was still thinking like an employee. So I researched for straight 3 months. I've tested different programs and platforms. I've seen what works, what doesn't. In this video, I'm breaking down 4 realistic passive income for beginners that are over 40 and not a tech savvy. So stick around till the end because the last one is the strategy that completely changed my life and helped me acquire skills to build my real business. Let me start with most beginner friendly income stream, digital products. If you are thinking, but Julie, I'm not an expert at anything, let me stop you right there. You don't need to be an expert to solve a problem. You just need to be one step ahead from someone who has the problem. If you're still unsure, here is the secret weapon you can use. Now, you just need to spot a problem and offer a simple solution. So go to answerthepublic.com and type in a topic you care about. I will link this website in the description so you don't have to come back and watch again. For example, fitness over 40, vegan meal planning for a busy mom, 30-day antioxidant breakfast plan, budgeting with kids, planning kids' education. It could be anything. Find a question people are asking. Then head over to Canva and create a planner, a template, a checklist, an ebook that answers that question. Here is the example I want you to imagine. So I'm taking one example and I will take that example to layer all the income streams. So the example I'm using is first 30 day with your new puppy. And the tagline, a survival guide for new puppy parents. So the problem statement for the new puppy parents could be, new puppy parents are usually sleep deprived, overwhelmed, and Googling, is this normal at 1 a.m.? I have a dog, so I could be a potential customer for this product. And that one topic can turn into a simple ebook, a daily checklist, a puppy routine planner, or a do's and don't list. You create it once, yes, in Canva, price it between $17 to $37 based on the content you put in, and sell it online over and over again. No inventory, no shipping, no customer return call. Like my puppy ate the checklist, I want my money back. Now, I want you to think about what everyday problem do people already come to you about? Because that's usually the clue. Now we layer this digital product with another income stream without putting any extra work. That is called affiliate marketing. Now, inside your new puppy 30-day guide, you naturally recommend puppy food, crate, healthy puppy treats, chew toys, because remember you have couches. You get your affiliate link from the company's affiliate program and put it on your social media platforms to drive traffic to your affiliate link. When someone buys, you earn a commission. Is it huge money at first? No. Is it a passive income that adds up? Yes. It's like tipping yourself for being helpful. If you're curious, you can grab my free beginner guide from passion to profit in the description below. Let's say you don't want to create anything from scratch. I get it. That is income stream number 3, rebrand PLR products. There is an entire category of digital product called PLR, private label rights. These are already made digital products like ebooks, templates, checklists, planners, mini courses. You can legally rebrand as your own, set your own price, and sell under your name. You did not even create it, but you get to keep 100% profit out of it. It's a great low pressure way to test your audience and still make 100% profit. Want a list of beginner friendly PLR platforms? Let me know in the comments. I will send my personal list. Now, income stream number 4. I discovered a high demand done for you business model that teaches you all of the above 3 income streams and gives you the MRR, which is master resale rights. I call it a shortcut. When you purchase a course or a digital program that includes master resale rights, that means you get access to all the trainings and the education, and you're granted the license to resell the exact program, retaining 85% of the profit, which is mind blowing because it's an education and a business all in one box. Honestly, when I started, I did not know what product to create, how to market, how to show up confidently, or how to sell without feeling icky. And I call it a shortcut not because it is promising overnight success, but because it provided me a comprehensive beginner's roadmap that offered real education and ownership. This business teaches you 20 plus ways of online income streams step by step with a podcast style video modules training because I am a visual learner. You take the training, apply what you learn, and at the same time, you can resell the same course and start earning right away. You are learning and earning at the same time, and that's why I call it a shortcut. It teaches 23 different income streams, such as UGC, which is user generated content, Amazon reviews, Airbnb, Pinterest paints, Etsy shop, drop shipping, website flipping, securing brand deals, and the list goes on and on. The program also pre-packaged with 17 done for you PLR products that you can immediately sell and take 100% profit. The program offers free tech support to build your storefront, so you don't have to worry. You sign up and in a day you are good to go. It was a business in a box. All I had to do is to follow the steps that are truly beginner friendly. And I'm so grateful that I found it because someone who is not a tech wizard, who did not have a background in marketing, or did not have time or patience to reinvent the wheel. It's a live interactive training program that includes weekly 4 calls directly from the creator themselves. They're always there whenever you need their help. They will literally hold your hands to set you for success. It has a comprehensive beginner's roadmap with everyday actions to follow on day 1, day 2, day 3 to be successful in your journey. You learn the skills and the strategies you need for the rest of your life, and you earn while you're learning. I started unsure, nervous, skeptical, no audience, no influence, but I learned and applied the strategies that made me $1,500 in my first 5 weeks from complete strangers. That was magic to me. That's when I internalized the power of social media and digital marketing. It was real skill building that stays forever. This channel is for women who are done shrinking and overthinking. If you are curious, just curious, grab my free beginner guide from passion to profit, linked in the description below. Tell me in the comments, what is the biggest thing you are feeling stuck about at this point of life? Is this time, confidence, bills, work, or is some kind of fear? I'm a friend who is genuinely interested to know what's holding you back at the moment. You are not too late. You're actually early to write your next chapter. Keep watching Income Reimagined. Let's build your income the right way.